Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox Browser on POCO C40. So in order to do this, open up your Google Play Store, find the app Firefox, select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Now you can customize it, so choose your theme, pick a toolbar placement, change always on privacy settings, sign up to synchronize Firefox between other devices, and read the privacy notice. Finally, click on Start Browsing. Now we can open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.